Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So, how are you, Afsha? Yes, ma'am, I'm fine. So, what we are doing today? Yes, we are doing sounds today. Sounds again. Tell me, what is it? Ma'am, it's tall. 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 Yes, correct. If I add OW at the end, what it has become now? Tallow. No, it's not tallow. It's tallow. Tallow. Yeah, it's because all is giving L sound here. Tallow. 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 Okay, Afsha. If I remove T here, so what it has become now? Yes, T. Aloe. Aloe. No, it's not allow. It's allow. Allow. What it has become now? Swallow? No, it's not swallow. It is swallow. What is it? Ma'am, it's all. All. Yes, you're right. It is all. If I add P in the beginning and add ET at the end, what it has become now? Ma'am, it's pallet. Pallet. No, it's not pallet. It's pallet. 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 If I erase P into W, what it has become now, Afsha? Wallet? No, it's not wallet. It's wallet. Wallet. See, that is how the sound works. Wallet? What happened, Aksha? What happened?